You're welcome to provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x plus 2. This is equal to 30. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here. Solution, we have that 4 to power x plus 2. This is equal to 30. Now, 4 is to power x plus 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 4 to power x multiplied by 4 to power 2. This is equal to 30. The next step here, we have 4 to power x multiplied by 4 squared. This is 16, and this is equal to 30. Let's divide both sides by 16, so that now here we'll have 4 to power x. This is equal to, now we have 30 divided by 16. So we can divide here by 2 here, this is 15. By 2 here, this is 8. Now, we have 15 divided by 8. The next step here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So we'll have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 15 divided by 8. The next step here, log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log m to power n, which we can express as n log m. So applying this power rule property of exponent, of logarithm, we'll have log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 15 divided by 8. The next step here, let's divide both sides by log 4 by log 4. So simplifying log 4 on the left hand side, we'll have x is equal to log 15 divided by 8. All this divided by log 4. So log 15 divided by 8, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we're going to have x is equal to log 15 divided by log 4 subtract log 8 divided by log 4. Now the next step here, we can express 8 as 2 to power 3, and we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So substituting this here, we'll have x is equal to log 15 divided by log 2 to power 2 subtract log 8, which is 2 to power 3, divided by log 4, which is log 2 to power 2. The next step here, we'll have x is equal to log 15 divided by log 2 to power 2. Applying the power rule property, this can be expressed as 2 log 2 subtract log 2 to power 3. Applying the power rule property, this can be expressed as 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2, which is 2 log 2. Now let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that now we'll have x is equal to log 15 divided by 2 log 2 subtract 3 over 2. Now the next step here, we can express 15 as 5 times 3. Let's substitute this, so that x is equal to log 5 times 3, all this divided by 2 log 2. So log 5 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then we can express x as log 5 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2 subtract 3 over 2. Subtract 3 over 2. The next step here, log 5 divided by log 2 and log 3 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. So let's apply this property. Now applying this logarithm property, now we can express x equal to half log 5 to base 2 plus, now here we have a half log 3 to base 2 subtract 3 over 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end at 4 to power x plus 2. This should give us a value of 30. And here we have that 4 to power x plus 2. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Applying this property, here we have 4 to power x multiplied by 4 squared. This is equal to 30. Let's substitute the value of x here. So here we'll have 4 raised to power 1, that is a half log 5 to base 2 plus a half log 3 to base 2 subtract 3 over 2 multiplied by 4 squared, which is 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. Now from what we have here, we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So here we have 2 to power 2 multiplied by, this is half log 5 to base 2 plus again here half log 3 to base 2 subtract 3 over 2 multiplied by 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. Now let's simplify here so that we open the bracket here. So we'll have 2 to power log 5 to base 2 plus, now let's simplify here, plus log 3 to base 2 subtract, now we have 2 and 2 here, we'll have subtract 3 multiplied by 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. The next step from here, log, that is 2 to power log 5 to base 2 plus log 3 to base 2 subtract 3. In this case, this is in the form of 8 to power n minus m, which we can express as 8 to power n divided by 8 to power m. So applying this property, we'll have 2 to power log 5 to base 2 multiplied by 2 to power log 3 to base 2 divided by 2 to power 3 multiplied by 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. So let's proceed from here. Now here you have 2 to power log 5 to base 2 multiplied by 2 to power log 3 to base 2 divided by 2 to power 3 times 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. Now 2 to power log 5 to base 2 and 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, and this is supposed to give us a value of a. So 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5, and 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is equal to 3. Let's substitute this. So here we have 5, that is 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5, times 2 to power log 3 to base 2, which is 3, divided by 2 to power 3, which is 8. This is multiplied by 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. So this is 5 times 3 here, which is 15. 15 divided by 8 times 16. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. So 16 divided by, you can simplify here by 8 1 by 8 here, this is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Then 15 times 2, this is equal to 30. So you can see clearly that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is a half log 5 to base 2 plus a half log 3 to base 2, subtract 3 over 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.